I remember they first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juice and intake, therefore the smiley face.
He's getting set up, real official.
Shareholder 1, Liam Paul. Shareholder 2, Evan Bryce. Shareholder 3, Jai Howard. With 95% shares. This is the other Evan. We don't talk to him much.
Shoo! Full name, Evan. What do you do? Full name is Evan. Just big things! Big things! Woo!
We'll be back in like a few weeks, briefly. And then we're hitting Cocos, baby.
And then we're hitting Cocos. And Evan won't be hitting Cocos, but he's still here. Just redesigning Studios logo. T Sterling, eat your heart out. Tessa's job has been taken over. The desk, the job. Actually, Tess, you can just stay in Bali. Low key.
Yeah. Sorry,
like, honestly, Jai's taken your kitchen and I've taken the house, and Evan's got your desk, so enjoy Lombok. So it is currently Thursday night and the boys are just alone at the house doing a bit of editing, late night session, little late night hustle. Last night we were both up until midnight and it was pretty much like 12:30 we went to bed. And it's just because the girls aren't around and we've got the place to ourselves and we've just been loving it. We've been enjoying having a bit of time just to drop into some good work, and yeah, it's been fun. So this is dinner tonight. We have a few little dumplings and cucumber and yeah, get stuck into a bit of YouTube editing. We'll see how it goes. Jai's getting his vlog done.
It's a bit late, but it's coming.
Japan vlog. Ida Monday's retreat. Yeah, go check it out. Jai Howard.
Should I show him a little sneak peek?
Yeah. Should we? Didn't want to ask, but you know.
What do we want? I'm thinking.
Maybe the little hype bit at the
Second time you've done that, right?
Yeah, second.
Oh my god.
That's all you got.
Coming soon. Go check it out. Jai's Insta and his YouTube. It'll be dropping there. The videos are coming in hot. So it's 1 a.m. Jai just left me about an hour ago. And yeah, I've got the apartment to myself. Tess is in Bali. And I guess I just wanted to jump on here and say a quick something, because I think a lot of people always see the fun, glamorous travel, adventure, friendship side of content and social media, and I feel like there is a whole other side that is long hours, a lot of time by yourself, and it feels lonely a lot of the time, and there's sometimes there is just like a real sense of being like, what am I doing? Like, is this actually what I want to be doing? But the reality is, like, I love doing this. I'm up until 1 a.m. on a random Thursday night, bringing ideas to life, being creative, having conversations with one of my best mates, and it's just special to be able to do that, and I think I'm so grateful for it. But it is definitely like a bit of a side that you don't really see often. I think it takes a lot of space, both mentally and physically, to be able to bring ideas to life and to be full of ambition and want to pursue something that heavily that you are just willing to sacrifice everything else for it. And so yeah, I guess I'm just rambling now probably, but I just wanted to jump on before I went to bed because it's 1 a.m. and I had my blue light glasses on, doing a bit of computer work. But yeah, this is reality a lot of the time. Bed is over there. I'm ready to go hop in it. And here I am, all alone in an apartment, just left to my thoughts. So yeah. What's going on? Now it's feeling it. He's a mate of ours.
Yeah, right. Drew sent me a photo of him the other day.
Currently 8 p.m, having a bit of a late dinner here at home. But it's been a very busy week. Tess has still been in Bali and I've just been here in the crib for basically the whole week to myself. and yeah, I've been working on the company. Today we officially set it up. Bank account is registered and the company has been officially registered as well. All the shares and equity is like signed and all the documents are completed and signatures are done. And yeah, it's pretty much legit set up. I was in the bank Westpac having a meeting today. That went well. So yeah, celebratory dinner, which is actually not that celebratory at all. It's just a bit of rosemary and lamb sausages with a little bit of potatoes baked with flour crispiness and a bit of Heinz beans because Tess isn't here, so the boys do what they want. Yum. Got a call with Abraham, a bit of a coaching call tomorrow at 5:30 a.m, which is pretty early, so I'm going to get to bed ASAP here and probably wake up at 5 and then have to, excited for the next few days just to wrap things up. I'm doing a bit of shooting as well before I head to Lombok in 3 days, so yeah, not sure if this vlog will show Lombok, but it might do, might not. But these are the last few days at home, setting up the company and working on some big vision stuff, so yeah, good night. Dad working hard. Bit of a backstory, but we've currently been setting up the company for the past few days and it's been a little bit of a hectic process and we've needed documents quickly and we've needed to get a lot of things sorted, and so yeah, pretty much Dad, Mum and I have driven down half an hour respective ways they've come from home, I've come from Freo, and we've met at Dad's offices late at night. It's like 7:30, 8 p.m. and we're printing off the company trust official documents to be able to put shares in that name, and we're setting it up, so we need the official documents for it. And so yeah, we've kind of just driven down here at 8 p.m. We're in the empty office, we're printing out, we're going to scan all the documents and run through signing them all because they needed a wet sign, which means that you can't have it online and just signing it online digitally. You have to actually do it in person, which is the wet sign. So that's what we're doing here, that's why we're here. And yes, all is going to plan. We have the crew. Dad's scrambling for pens, trying to look. I brought a pen. I got a really good black one. Okay. Yeah, because I'm prepared and organised. Anyway, out here setting up the company. Big things ahead.
Got a sign here, right? Practice here first. This is just a.
No.
This is the big dog doing the big signing.
Here we go.
18th today.
18th. Is it the 18th?
It is.
Make sure. Yeah.
It was St. Patrick's Day yesterday, so it's...
And witness.
Can I get a
Can you
witness?
film him? Currently 8 p.m. Not gonna lie, this has been one of the biggest days of work that I've had probably in months. Was up super early. Went and shot for the 20 Talk fundraiser event. Went and saw my family for a little bit of a brunch, catch up in the city. Also then some friends, Eat Your Water, the brand, had come over to Perth and they put together a bit of a pop-up shop. Went and caught up with Liam, the guy who owns Eat Your Water, and the crew that were working there, and kind of hung out for a little bit, did a bit of looking around, got some gear, and then drove straight back to the fundraiser event that I was still shooting during the day. Hit that from like 1 to 3, 4, 5 p.m. because I had to take photos and portraits of everyone that was volunteering there. And then came straight back home, edited all of those photos, which I'm still currently doing now, and then headed out to my friend Jackson M's going away party. They're heading over to the UK, they're having a kid, and they were just having a little goodbye with everyone. Stayed there for like 2-3 hours chatting, came back here 8 o'clock, still got to edit all of the photos and get them uploaded so people can finish the event and see their portraits. But then I've also got to go back out tonight at 12 p.m. to shoot the final finishing ceremony and everything that goes on. We'll probably shoot for an hour or two, come back home, edit those photos, will be 4 a.m. and then I'll probably head to bed and I fly out to Lombok. And so, yeah, it's pretty hectic day, but I love working. I love being able to be around people, have great conversations, being able to work on stuff that feels impactful, that feels really purposeful. And I love being able to talk with others about what I'm doing and being able to share creative thoughts, conversations, ideas, and yeah, it makes me really happy. So I'm full of energy. I need to eat because I haven't eaten dinner yet, but all is going well. Here's my setup. The house is a bit of a tip. I've got all my gear here. I'm still scrambling, doing a little bit of editing. I've also got the washing in this morning, which I haven't put away yet, and so gear is out. It's a bit of a tip on the bed. I've still got to pack for Lombok because I haven't even started packing yet. All my bags are here. Kitchen's still a little bit of a mess. Got to get some food. yeah, it's chaos, but it feels good to be doing stuff, to be busy, to be productive, and to be, enjoying it while you're doing it all. So, little update, late here at night. I think I'm just losing my mind, to be honest, but that's why I'm rambling. Anyways, peace. Bali, and we're a little bit overweight, as usual. Pretty used to it, but 7 kilos, and we're trying to bring a couple different cameras to shoot, because we need to. Clothes, we've got paddle racket, headphones and computer. That's pretty much it. But somehow it still ended up being like 13 kilos. So yeah, we're just trying to get a few undies lost and figure out if we take another bag, but struggles. Just made it over to Lombok, and we were at the check-in, and Evan's paddle racket got pulled up, and he had to go through security and basically put it in checked luggage. But I got mine in and it was fine. They didn't even look in my bag, but he got pulled up, had to argue with the authorities, and now it's been making its way over to Lombok. And so it's actually pulled up into the checked in, the carriageway, and we're going to see it soon. Hopefully it's not damaged, but yeah. The paddle racket has come.
Mellow, like
We've
at another
arrived.
level. But he was, I just had a really interesting
In
chat
the villa.
to him because I was talking about
And it's pretty insane. This is our top little floor, chill area. Me and Tessa's room. And up here you can see that there's a big pool down there. And then we're out looking into the hills. Pretty special. Pretty stoked to have this spot, but yeah, keen for the next little while. I think we're going to play paddle tonight. We've already booked 8 p.m. because we have no time to waste. So we're onto it. Keen to hit. Let's do it. Crazy busy, bro. Went to watch sunset, and there's like a million people around.
What are those hills in the UK?
Filming like vlogs and like random moments.
Hello.
You got it? How's the audio? It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
You.
Yeah, it's a bit of fun. I'm actually enjoying it. But it's cool because you can go like this. So look, you can go like this, and you can be like.
Yeah. You can get closer. What? I
Yeah, it's
love
so
it. I
fun.
love the back.
It's a cool vibe.
Yeah. What's going on now? What's happening down on the beach?
I remember day first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juices intake. Therefore the smiley faces.